This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Mariah Alanis. This home is in a well-established neighborhood minutes from HEB and Wal-Mart. Home has been remodeled with new windows, both bathrooms upgraded, flooring and double installation. Also offers RV/boat parking without any back neighbors and provides access to Kate Street Park. Come enjoy peace and relaxation in the hot tub that conveys. There is also a flex room for an office or fourth bedroom. For more information, review the details below or contact Mariah Alanis at 254-314-1939.